What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can stop receiving or getting these suspicious security alerts on your Google account, aka critical security alerts. So we will go through on why this could be happening and how you can stop it. So let's get started. Now I started getting these critical security alerts about 2 months ago, and I usually get them every few days. And I usually got them every few days. And I even got those when my PC was off. So it was constantly logging me off my Google account on my PC even when it was off. But I did manage to fix this issue. Now, first off, before doing anything, I would advise you to do a security check on your PC. So just an antivirus scan. So if you did that and you're still getting these notifications, then you just go ahead and Google security checkup right here. Just like this. Now, once you Google security checkup, just go ahead and click on the first result. From here, the security checkup page will load for your Google account. Now, if you have multiple accounts on a single device, you can just change them by clicking in the upper right corner. So now I am on that correct account that was constantly getting security checkup notifications. So as you can see, there is quite a lot of them. Now just scroll down a bit until you can see this section right here. So from here, click on the Your Third-Party Connections. And here, just remove access from all of these. So in my case, the issue was TubeBuddy, which is a YouTube helping Google extension that I had connected to my account. So TubeBuddy was constantly trying to get some information from my account, which then Google interpreted as a critical security alert. So when I removed access from TubeBuddy, the notifications stopped. So this is the most common reason for those critical security alerts. Now, if you're not using these third-party connections every day, I would just suggest that you remove all of these and see if you're getting those notifications still. But if you do need to use them, then just add them back one by one until you see which one of these gets you those security notifications. So essentially guys, that's how I fixed it on my side, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.